Today we are going to talk about something fundamental that affects almost every financial lives, but we rarely truly understand it. Think about it. We work hard, we earn money, but for many of us, it feels like we're constantly running on a place, right? कभी लगता है एक कदम आगे तो दो कदम पीछे. Why is that? Why do so many people, even those with decent income, never seem to truly get ahead financially? By Central Bank of report, NP ratio is expected to worsen by March 2026. Fortune India report, 41% of all first-time borrowers in India now belong to Gen Z. They use a scheme BNPL, buy now, pay later. Well, I believe there is a hidden root map many of us unknowingly follow, a kind of real trap. We will understand now how mindset keep people stuck. Imagine a path. This path, pleasure today. It tells you that you deserve that new gadget, that fancy trip, that shiny car right now. It whisper, don't worry about tomorrow. Enjoy today. Sound familiar, am I right? The real trap is the most of people navigate their finance. It's focus on immediate gratification over long-term security. Think of it as a contract, a pleasurable today in exchange for a potentially insecure tomorrow. इस रास्ते पे बहुत लोग हैं अच्छे खासे पैसा कमा रहा है. They might have high paying jobs. But the brutal truth is very few people on this path ever achieve true financial freedom. Don't let the fancy cars and expensive lifestyles fool you. इस रियल ट्रैप में कोई एग्जिट मैप नहीं मिलेगा गोल तक पहुंचने के लिए. ये एक्चुअली ये फाइनेंशियल डेट इन तक पहुंचाएगा आपको. सो व्हाट कीप्स पीपल ऑन दिस पाथ? इट्स एक्चुअली सेट ऑफ अंडरलाइंग बिलीव्स, what I call mind barriers that shape their financial decisions. In 2025, iPhone sells 13 to 14 million units in India and is growing 10 to 15%. 35% increase from previous year. And you'll be shocked, around 70% of iPhones are bought on EMI. Can you roughly figure out what is going on? There are different type of perceptions work. Credit cards allow me to buy now. Credit cards loans, they are seen as a tool to enjoy life today, regardless of the future consequence. Time is abundant. There is a feeling that there is plenty of time to save and invest later. You only live once. If you have money, flaunt it, and blah blah blah. Look at this number. This data from the Economic Times. 68% Indian borrowers are under debt trouble. Even 27% of borrowers take in new loans to repay old ones. This is not just about individual choice. It's a widespread pattern fueled by these mind barriers. We also see this data collect from Times of India. 75% of Indians don't have an emergency fund. Can you imagine? These are not just abstract number. These are real people, real families fall in real trap. For those in the real trap, the unspoken formula often seems to be wealth is equal to income plus debt. They increase their spending and take more debt as their income goes. Never truly build net worth. Actually, nowadays people want to live a materialistic life. Sorry, this is not about judging anyone's choice. It's about understanding the patterns that lead to financial struggle for so many. So recognizing the real trap and this mind barrier is the first crucial step toward financial freedom.